Good day everyone. Welcome to another activity, modules. So in this activity, I will demonstrate what are the uses of modules and what is module. So what I've learned from Mosh discussion is that modules are Python file that contains Python codes that has several statements, functions, and classes to make the Python code more organized, more structured, and more convenient to use, and for it to be reusable in the long run. So we have here 5 modules. So the first module, I named it as converter. It has an extension of .py because it is a Python file. So I have here 2 functions. First is definition, Fahrenheit underscore 2 underscore Celsius. Open close parenthesis, the parameter is temperature. Then the equation here is return statement. Then the equation here is open close parenthesis temperature minus 32 multiplied by open close parenthesis 5 over 9. And for the second function is definition Celsius open close underscore 2 underscore Fahrenheit open close parenthesis. Our parameter here is temperature. And then the equation we have here is return statement temperature multiplied by open close parenthesis 9 over 5 plus 32. So these are the functions in converting Fahrenheit to Celsius and vice versa. So this module is dedicated only for these functions. And then if we wish to solve or convert temperature, so let's create another module. So we have here another module. I named it as app. So first we have to import the first module to this new module. So import converter refers to this module we have here. And then from converter, so from this module, import Fahrenheit to Celsius. So import the function Fahrenheit to Celsius. So after importing that one, let's try to use the print function to solve or to convert the desired amount of Fahrenheit to Celsius. So let's say we want to convert to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So we have here the number, and let's try to run our code. We have here the answer. 100 degrees Fahrenheit is 37.78 degrees Celsius. So another way of solving this one is by using the print function. Print the name of the module converter, that the name of the function. Let's say you want to solve from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So Celsius to Fahrenheit. As you can see here, import converter is an automatic command by Python because we are referring to this module right here. So if we refer this module, then we should also be importing that module to this module. So let's try to solve 80 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. So let's try to run our code. While waiting, that's it. 80 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit is 176 degrees. 80 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit is 176 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's it for the conversion of temperature using modules. Then we have here for the third module an example similar to Mosh. Here is a sample problem. First, there are sets of values right here, and these sets of numbers are labeled as numbers, and we want to look for the mean number or the least number of this set of numbers. So mean is equivalent to numbers, so bracket 0 means it is the least number possible. and then this is the statement for number in numbers. So number refers only to one number because we are looking for the mean number. If number is less than mean, then that is the mean number. Then print, we're using the print function. So let's try to solve this problem using module. So you have here the problem dedicated only this problem is dedicated only to this problem. So let's create another module for us to solve this problem. So I have here a module named utils. So we have to define first find mean, since we want to look for the mean number. So definition, find underscore mean. Mean is a function to look for the mean number in a certain sets of values, and we have here our parameters, our parameter numbers. So we will be referring to the sets of values for us to look the least number or the mean number. So mean is equal to numbers, parentheses, open close parentheses, open close brackets, 0 referring to the possible least number. So this is our statement for number in numbers. If number is less than mean, then that is the mean number. So after solving for the mean number, return statement for it to end this process, since we will have already the mean number. So we have here another module containing functions and statements. So for our solutions, let's create another module. So this is our equation, this is our solution. So from this module refers to module utils, import find mean. So import this function find mean. So these are the numbers, then mean is equivalent to this function. Then after running this one, we will have the mean number. So let's try to execute this code. Edit configuration, then solutions.utils, run. So the mean number for the sets of values is 1. That would be all for our activity today. Thank you and keep safe.